just enjoy your sense of humor. You're like a tumor. You're in my head all day. You rock my world like outer space.
What's up, my girlies? Welcome back to another video. It is your girl T, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. If you are a girly and you're not new to this, you're true to this, welcome back. You already know the vibes. So today's video is going to be a little something different. It's sponsored by LUXX Curves. I have been wearing their waist trainer for 3 full weeks now, and I'm happy to share this with you ladies. I'm officially in the 3rd hook of my waist trainer, so go me. And you already know that I have a discount code for you ladies, so I'm gonna plug that in right here, and it's also gonna be in the description box below. So make sure you go ahead and check out their website and get you a waist trainer, sis, because you need it. I'm telling you, you need it. So let's just get right into this video, and it's going to be 5 tips to successfully waist train us. So number 1, the first tip is to use a measuring tape to measure your waist and your torso. With this measuring tape, you want to measure the smallest part of your waist and your torso. With LUXX Curves, they have different style waist trainers, and they do measure the torso part. It is a major key in getting you the right fit. So depending on the waist trainer that you choose, how high up or how low you want it to be, you'll measure that, and then you'll send in your measurements, and this is how you're gonna find the perfect fit. I recommend you measuring your waist in the morning just right before you've had any breakfast. This is gonna make sure that you have the most accurate number, and this is going to change your waist training experience. This is going to be a major key. The only way that you can successfully waist train is to make sure that you have a waist trainer that fits, that is comfortable, and is not too tight, because if it's not a right fit, you're going to want to take it off. So you want something comfortable enough for you to wear. Tip number 2 is going to be consistent. It is so important to be consistent. This is how you are going to waist train successfully, okay? Consistency is a major key when it comes to waist training, and I recommend you girlies try and commit it to your waist trainer for 30 days. In this 30-day period, you want to wear your waist trainer no more than 8 hours a day, and you do not want to sleep in the waist trainer. So just by wearing your waist trainer every day for up to 8 hours a day, you will see a major change in your inches around your waist. You will see that you will start to slim down, and then you'll be able to change the sizing of your waist trainer, and then eventually you'll be able to get into a newer and smaller waist trainer if that is your goal. Tip number 3 is going to be wear your waist trainer while you're eating. Ladies, this is a major key. So as you know, when your stomach is compressed, your stomach doesn't stretch as much when you're eating. So when you're eating day to day, your stomach stretches, but when you have your waist trainer on, it keeps your stomach small, and it doesn't allow for it to expand as much, and this will help you to eat smaller portions. It would help you to feel full faster. And then this is a major key for the girlies who not only want to lose inches around their waist, but weight. So this waist trainer is going to naturally suppress your appetite by suppressing your stomach, and it's really going to help you not overeat. So don't say I ain't tell you nothing, because that is a major key, and I'm going to need y'all to get on it. So definitely wear your waist trainer no more than 8 hours a day, and always, always, always while you're eating. Tip number 4 is going to be to join a community. This is going to be very important because you need other people to hold you accountable. It's good when you can set goals and feel motivated to reach those goals. So this is really going to help with your discipline and your consistency. And if you go on any social media site, you can find girlies on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok who is on their waist training journey that you can make friends with, talk to, connect with, and hold each other accountable. You can also DM me. You can also leave me a comment. You can hit me up at any time of the day, and I will hold you accountable, and you can hold me accountable, and we can do this thing together. Also, when you go on LUXX Curves website, there is a tab where you can join the community and meet with other LUXX girls who are waist training as well. So that is a major key, and I'm super happy that they do offer that. Tip number 5, the final tip of the day, is going to be to take pictures and track your progress. Waist training is not a permanent result, so this is something that you have to continue to do, and the best way to see that you're reaching your goals is by taking pictures. This helps you to stay consistent, and it just helps you to see that you're on the right track and your waist training is successful. Once you see that, you're gonna want to go harder regardless. So definitely try to take pictures, weigh your waist trainer as much as you can for up to 8 hours a day for the 30-day time frame. Once you feel like you've reached your goal, whatever goal that may be, you can then wear the waist trainer 2 to 3 times a week, because it's not a permanent result. So remember, it's not going to be a permanent fix, but you do want to continue to waist train even after you reach your goal. Maybe not every day for 30 days, but 2 to 3 times a week will do, no more than 8 hours. So those are the 5 tips to help you successfully waist train. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. If you are already waist training, feel free to talk to any of the girls in the comment section to buddy up and hold each other accountable. And if waist training is something that you want to get into, I highly recommend that you visit LUXX Curves website, which I'll have in the description box, and get you one. My sizing is the medium, and it is the mermaid texture. This is actually my favorite one, and it's super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on for you ladies to show you how I put my waist trainer on. And like I said, I've been waist training for 3 weeks, so I'm already in the 3rd strap, and I kind of like to start from the bottom. It's just easier for me that way. It's going to look a little bit easier for me now because I have been wearing it for 3 weeks, but the first day was so hard. Oh my God, I wish you guys could have seen it. It was crazy. But I'm very happy with my progress. Like, look how fast I'm doing it. Like, it is finally like shaped to me, and I love it. It's so comfortable. I can leave it on for the 8 hours. Oh my God, like, I really recommend this waist trainer, ladies. So what I do is tuck it in my shorts, and I always tuck it in my top. But don't forget, they have all different styles, all different lengths and patterns depending on what your goals are and how much coverage you want. But again, I have the medium mermaid one, and it's giving what waist. It's giving what waist. Okay, so don't forget to check out the website again, and I will have my discount code waiting for you ladies. And thank you for coming back and watching another video. I know this is a little something different, but we're going through the motions together. Definitely make sure I got you ladies a discount code, and I will see you again in next week's vlog. Bye.